Hi, everyone. Ron Crider. It's July the 20th, day 126. It's a Monday. Another one of my stay safe at home days. Been doing it for 126 days. Oh, I hope this doesn't last a whole lot longer. And unfortunately, things aren't getting a whole lot better. Here is some really bad news for my daughter, Lisa, who was planning on going to the Bahamas. Sorry, we're closed. American tourists barred from entering the Bahamas. The Prime Minister announced sweeping changes to travel for the island nation. Bahamas Air is stopping outgoing flights to the United States immediately beginning Wednesday at midnight. International commercial flights and vessels will not be allowed to enter the Bahamas except for flights from Canada, the UK, and the European Union. Private planes and boats will still be allowed. So if you're planning on going to the Bahamas and you're planning on flying over there first, you're going to have to go in a private plane because you can't get there commercially. And if you have a yacht, I guess you can go there with your yacht. But otherwise, you cannot fly in there from the United States. So folks, I do this every day. Up here you will see, as soon as this video starts, you will see today's numbers. At least I will give you the information on the state of Florida, the deaths and the positives for today. It's 9:56 right now. Everything should be coming in about 11 o'clock today, but you won't see this until about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Anyway, I tell you that every day. It will be up there. And you can fast forward past my little news thing here if you like, and it'll take you straight to where the numbers are. The numbers take about 4 or 5 minutes. And if you haven't seen it before, I give all the numbers for Dade, Broward, Palm Beach, Martin, St. Lucie, Indian River counties, up to Brevard, that's Melbourne, and over to Orlando. I only do the east coast of Florida. Okay, folks, don't be a COVIDiot. I say this every day, a COVIDiot. It's what the UK people call us if we don't wear our masks. Americans just don't wear masks over there in England, and they're known as COVIDiots. Don't be a COVIDiot, there or here. Not a good idea. Very quick shout out today to Mary Sayer, George Ed, Robert, Barbara, Gail, and James. Thanks, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, Kevin Bacco generally tunes in every once in a while. At least he says he does. He's out in Houston, Texas, and occasionally Vanessa in Miami, and of course Tony in Miami. Treasure Coast weather report today: scattered showers and thunderstorms. High 88 degrees. Winds east at 10 to 20 miles per hour. The chance of rain today is 40%. Now today they say 0.05 inches of rain today, so that must mean there will be some actual rain today. And then tonight, partly cloudy, scattered thunderstorms developing after midnight, low about 79 degrees tonight, so it'll be a little bit warmer this evening. Winds east-southeast 10 to 15 miles per hour, and the chance of rain tonight is 40% with 0.01 inches of rain tonight. Alrighty, let's take a look at the news here. Indian River County confirmed cases as of Monday at 7:30 this morning. This does not include the new numbers that I'm going to give you today. But in Indian River County, 1,585 confirmed cases. That's 25.8% since last week. Deaths, 25. That's 19% up since last week at this time. Florida reported over 12,000 new cases of COVID-19 on Sunday, the fifth day in a row. The state announced over 10,000 new infections. And you think this isn't for real? Come on, guys. Please understand, this is really happening. Yeah. And everybody that I run into says, yeah, but Ryan, what about the flu? It kills a lot more people than that. Maybe so, but we didn't shut down the country because of the flu. Drive up COVID-19 tests at 1706 U.S. Highway 1, Vero Beach, 32960. CVS Health drive-up testing for COVID-19. Limited appointments now available to patients who qualify. You must be over 18 years old. So, yes, you can have those done. And I think it's at the Minute Care, but whatever it is, it's 1706 U.S. Route 1 South. Experts at the U.S. Center for Disease and Control and Prevention have warned that cases and deaths could rise this autumn and winter. Nearly all 20 forecasting models used by the CDC projecting rising deaths in the coming weeks. Throughout the United States, every metric to measure the outbreak is going in the wrong direction. Rising cases and deaths and hospitalizations and positivity rates are going through the roof. Publix will now require its customers to use face mask coverings over their nose and mouth as of Tuesday, July the 21st. The decision comes after Walmart said it would require face masks in all of their stores. And it's the same for Best Buy and Starbucks and Target. Got it? All righty. Here come the numbers. Back in a flash. All righty, folks, here we go. Let's take a look at the numbers for the state of Florida for Monday, July the 20th. These numbers came in at 11 o'clock today. As you can see from my clock up here, it's 12 noon as I'm putting this segment together. So here we go. The new positive numbers for the entire state of Florida for the past 24 hours, 10,347. Yesterday, that number was 12,479. A little bit of improvement. And over here under new hospitalizations, 292 for the entire state. Yesterday it was 339. A little bit of improvement. ICU beds available, 1,211 today. Yesterday it was 1,249. So it was 11:30 this morning from Rebecca Jones. And then new deaths to report for the entire state of Florida would be 90. There were 87 at the same time yesterday. Our new positive number is 11.79. This is one the state uses. I try to be consistent here. Yesterday, that number was 11.64. So as you can see, it is going up. As of 30 days ago, that number was 6%. In the past 30 days, it's gone from 6% to 11.79. Okay, let's take a look at Indian River County now. Indian River County, 64 new positive cases, 2 new hospitalizations, and we had 25 deaths, total 25 deaths, but 0 deaths to report for Indian River County. That's a really good thing. 7.74 is their positivity number. They have 16 ICU beds available. Yesterday, they had 12. I can tell you this, 32960, that's Vero Beach proper. They got 36 new, I should say they have 36 new positive cases to report in the past 24 hours. And if I'm not mistaken, it is 0. Let me see if I can get this here. 32963 is 0 new positives for 32963. That's here on the Barrier Island. And that's Indian River County. All righty, let's go down to Dade County. It's always our problem child. They reported 2,797 new positives, 37 new hospitalizations. Dade County, Miami has 257 ICU beds available. They had 233 yesterday. Easy for me to say, right? And 7 deaths to report. Their number is 17.24. That number just keeps going up every day. All righty. In Broward County, that's Fort Lauderdale, they reported 1,695 new cases, 39 new hospitalizations, 58 ICU beds available, 76 yesterday. They reported 19 deaths, a lot of deaths for Broward County. 19, my goodness. 12.70 is their new positive rate. Palm Beach County. Palm Beach County reported 641 new cases, new positive cases, 29 new hospitalizations, 102 ICU beds available, 99 yesterday, 6 new deaths to report. Their positive number is 12.24. Now in Martin County is Stewart, 44 new positives, 7 new hospitalizations, 24 ICU beds available. Don't trust this 120 number because the previous day it was 24. Then they said yesterday it was 120. I don't believe that number. I think this 24 they gave us today is probably the right one. Come on, Rebecca. Make it right. Make it right. Come on. You can't blame the state for everything. Now, this is a little error on your part. And 3 new deaths to report for Martin County. There's a big number there, 14.38. Now we'll go to St. Lucie County. That would be Fort Pierce. 79 new positives, 4 new hospitalizations, 7 ICU beds available. They had 13 yesterday, and 1 new death to report. St. Lucie County, Fort Pierce. Their positive number is 11.19. Then up in Brevard County, that's Melbourne, 81 new positive cases, 1 new hospitalization, 47 ICU beds available, 49 yesterday, 0 deaths to report. Way to go, guys. 6.27 is their testing rate, positivity rate. That's the one the state uses. That's from day one, 6.27. And let's move up to Orange County. That's Orlando. Now, we're keeping our eye on Orlando. They tested 23,259. They have total amount of have been tested is 23,259. They tested new 2,293 in the past 24 hours, and that yielded 325 new positives, 7 new hospitalizations. They have 81 ICU beds available. They had 92 the previous day, and there was a correction here apparently because it's 119 for the total deaths up there, and so we got a minus here to make some kind of correction from yesterday. Their positive number is 11.03. So there you go. Those are the numbers for today. Just sort of repeating the new positives for the entire state of Florida: 10,347 new hospitalizations, 292, and the deaths in Florida are 90. Still above this 10,000 mark. So I think that makes it 7 days now that we've been over 10,000 new positives for the state. Alrighty, folks, now let's take a look at the global view. Total USA cases, 3,774,769. Total USA deaths, 140,563. Total global cases, 14,538,115. And total global deaths, 606,922. And those are the numbers for today. Got a little bit of UBIs coming up next. I hope it will brighten your day somewhat. Thank you for watching this. See you again tomorrow. Alrighty, folks, a little bit of lighten up the day a bit for your Monday to get started here. Today's quotes, sayings, and did you know and fun facts. Honeybees can recognize a human face. So if you upset the honeybees, they know who you are. They can see you, and they know who you are, and they'll chase you. I read an article, I'll tell you about it here in just a second. A swarm of 20,000 bees followed a car for 2 days because their queen was stuck inside the car. They followed that car for 2 days. Can you believe that? It's amazing what some of these animals can do. So don't upset the honeybees. The average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the world in their lifetime. Who would believe that? That is definitely a useless bit of information. Here's something that I thought you probably ought to know. Tears contain a natural painkiller which reduces pain and improves your mood. So, women cry a lot. I don't know that guys do a lot. That's not a very manly thing. Marines don't cry. No, we don't do that at all. But it is interesting to note that it does help for people to cry. Get it out of your system. And my grandmother used to go, get it out of your system. If you're upset about it, go ahead and cry. Get it out of your system. You'll feel better. Well, you'll feel better because it contains a natural painkiller in those tears. Does that help your Monday? I hope it does. Don't forget to send your pictures for the Pet Patrol. We will have a Pet Patrol here. One of these days we can get some more pets in here. Send it to roncrider@gmail.com. And don't forget, never be a part of the problem. Please don't be a part of the problem, and always be a part of the solution. And always push the like button. I forgot to say at the beginning, please push the like button. Alrighty, folks, have a really blessed Monday. I'll see you back here tomorrow.